How you doing? I'm Mike with Anthem Air Conditioning, Heating, and Cooling. I'm talking to you today about the question of do I replace or repair my existing air conditioner system? We deal with this question every day, almost on every call. Customers want to know, is it worth it to replace or do I repair my air conditioner system? Systems that are under 10 years old, you're going to want to repair. But the systems that go to 10 to 12 or 15 years old, that's when the question comes in. Systems over 15 years old, you really do want to replace. That's a no-brainer. The systems today are much more efficient, give you better cooling, and will help you out tremendously. But the question is, the systems that are 12, 10 to 12, 15 years old, do I repair or do I replace my systems? Let me give you a scenario. We go out to a home and they're going to need about $2,000 worth of repairs. When we look at their existing air conditioner system, the Department of Energy says that they'll save 20 to 40% on heating and cooling costs by going to a new air conditioner system. So if their air conditioning and heating costs cost them about $4,000 a year in utility costs, then we're going to save, let's say 20%. That's $800 a year, $2,400 a year for the next 3 years to do that. They're also going to have the repair costs in the next 3 years that are probably similar to the repair costs they're dealing with today, but let's call that $2,000 to $2,500. So about $6,000 to $8,000 in repair costs in the next 3 years. When you add all that up, you're at about $10,000 to $11,000 in cost to keep your old air conditioner system. Let's take a look at the new air conditioner system. A new air conditioner system, a good quality, high efficiency air conditioner is about $17,000. If you take that $17,000, there's some instant buyback rebates that are available right now that are about $2,000. So you're down to $15,000. And then there's also incentives through the federal tax credit and some utilities that will give you up to $2,000 back in federal tax credit and up to $1,600 back on utility credits. Taking a look at that, there's a lot of incentives to change your system out now. But that $15,000 comes out to about $250 a month if you wanted to finance, which is a great price, only $250 a month, and you get a brand new system. Or about $14,000 a year, because we can find some other credits for you on if you're going to pay cash to do it. So you're talking about $3,000 to $4,000 difference between repair versus replace over the 3-year term. Now remember, costs of air conditioning are going up also every year. They're not coming down. They're getting more sophisticated. They're being controlled by the government in requirements, so the costs are going up. They're getting more complicated, etc. So as over the time, you're going to spend more if you wait longer. But using this scenario, $3,000 to $4,000, and what you get with a new system is you're going to get a 10-year manufacturer warranty on your new system. You get a 2-year labor warranty from Anthem on your new system, and we can extend that 2-year warranty up to 10 years. So you have a bumper-to-bumper manufacturer and labor warranty for 10 years through Anthem's new system program for an additional cost of $3,000, $3,000 to $4,000. So looking at that, you may say it's worth it. You may say it's not worth it, but for us to come out, show you the numbers, talk to you about your system, doesn't cost you anything, and we can take a look, help you make the right decision, give you the numbers and the information so you can make the right choice. Give us a call at Anthem Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing. We'd love to help you out and make sure that you make the right choice for your home.